If you use an iPhone, there's one powerful app already installed on your phone that many people ignore: the Notes app. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Notes app and some useful features you should know. What is Notes app? The Apple Notes app is a built-in note-taking tool created by Apple Inc. for iPhone, iPad, and Mac users. It allows you to write notes, save ideas, create lists, and organize information. How to create a note. To create a new note. 1. Open the Notes app. 2. Tap the compose icon. 3. Start typing your note. 4. Tap done to save. How to create checklists. The Notes app lets you create checklists. Steps. 1. Open a note. 2. Tap the checklist icon. 3. Add tasks to your list. ADD photos and files. You can also add photos and documents to your notes. Steps. 1. Open a note. 2. Tap the camera icon. 3. Choose photo or scan document. Lock your notes. If you want privacy, you can lock your notes. Steps. 1. Open the note. 2. Tap the three dots menu. 3. Select Lock Note. Organize notes with folders. You can organize notes using folders. Steps. 1. Open the folders. Section 2. Tap New. Folder 3. Move notes into folders. Sync notes with iCloud. Your notes can sync across devices using iCloud. This means your notes will appear on iPhone, iPad, and Mac automatically. The Notes app is a simple but powerful tool that can help you stay organized and productive.